I'm Gaga Joy. Welcome to Gaga Joy's Cooking. Today we're going to be doing spicy pickled cauliflower. We love this, and with the vegetables going out now, it's a good time to do it because we have vegetables freely. All you need is cauliflower. I've got peppers, onions, and garlic, and I do have some jalapeno peppers there. And this is 2 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of water, and a half cup of salt. It's like 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, a fourth of salt. 2 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of water, a half cup of salt. You know, the salt goes up a quarter each cup. And the one that we have heard lately is if you put a tea bag in the bottom, it keeps them crisp. Or you can put grape leaves in the bottom, which we're going to do next, and or cabbage leaves. It keeps your pickled things crispy. So we're going to try that today. We're going to put a a tea bag in our cauliflower jar. Now, here's the thing about it. If you pickle something, you cannot really have metal next to it because it's just going to get the metal rusty. Although it doesn't a real canning lid. So I'm using this jar with this kind of lid, and I've got several of these because all my children love this pickled cauliflower. And I'm going to put my vinegar and water in this pan, and my salt, and it has to come to a boil, and the salt has to, of course, melt. But in the meantime, we can be putting our cauliflower in the jar. I just put a layer, and I like this little piece right here. That way, if you get it out, you got that little piece. You don't have to have it. I do some and some I don't. But I do like that little tail on the cauliflower. That's just my preference. Now, let's see. And just put these are just regular mini peppers that you get over the counter. I just put them in there. They're good pickled too. And you put a couple cloves of garlic, onions, layer of onions, and of course the jalapeno peppers. I took the seeds out so they wouldn't be real spicy because I have some more spices to add. But I do love that. Okay, continue with the cauliflower. Onions. Maybe a few more pieces of cauliflower. Peppers. Maybe another garlic and some jalapeno peppers. I'm brave by picking them up with my fingers. More cauliflower. Now when I put the hot stuff in here, they'll go down a little bit, so I'll be able to add a few more things to it after the vinegar puts it down. These are actually good all year round. You can have them at Christmas. It's just Thanksgiving. It's just a wonderful thing to have. And this is some more onions, more peppers, another piece of garlic, and our jalapenos. Push them down as much as I can. So put a few more peppers and the rest of our cauliflower. The rest of our jalapenos. A few more onions. Now, I'll save that pieces because when I put the hot vinegar in here, I probably can get a few more pieces in it. Okay. Now, I'm going to put my spices in it. I use sea salt, by the way, for my half a cup of salt. And my pickling spices. If you'd luck on finding pickling spices this year, it was very hard. And I think my friend got the last one at Food City. We couldn't find it at Walmart. 2 teaspoons of pickling spice. Where it smells good. I love pickling spice. And curry powder, we want a half a teaspoon of curry powder. This is ground cayenne pepper. I'm going to put a fourth of a teaspoon. Red pepper flakes, a fourth of a teaspoon. So, and I think our brine is just about ready. Well, I'm getting my brine off of the and adding it, and the spices will go down as I add it. And it's quite possible that I don't have enough. I thought maybe I could get them tighter, but I don't think I'm going to be able to, so I'm actually going to have to do this again. Because I only used 4.5. Okay, well, I was a little bit optimistic, so I'm going to heat some more right quick. Well, I had to, of course, fix more vinegar, some more brine. Now remember what the ratio is. 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of salt. Well, I put, this would be the same thing. 2 more cups of water, 2 more cups of vinegar, and a half cup of salt. And I'll tell you how much that we end up using in a minute from this. Okay, now this would have been 3, 4. This would have been 3 cups of vinegar, 3 cups of water, and 3/4 cups of salt. And we have plenty. Now I just close this. Love it, love it. While my vinegar was heating, I went ahead and did the plastic one. And I put enough, so now we're going to fill up the plastic one, hopefully, or I'll be doing some more vinegar, which I probably am going to be doing more vinegar. But now you put these, I'm going to put these in the back of my refrigerator for 7 days, but it's really better for 2 weeks, so you can eat a few in 7 days, but they really are better in 2 weeks. That one, I've still got to put some more vinegar in. But don't do what I do. Just remember, 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar, and 1/4 cup of salt. That's standard. And but as you see, they're just beautiful. And in a couple of weeks, I'll show you how they did with one of the other programs. But you can look how beautiful they are. Well, we've had a good day. My house smells so much like pickle and vinegar, it smells good. And we're going to finish pickling this, and I'm going to do one more. So we're going to be set for a while with our pickled cauliflower. Spicy pickled cauliflower. Anyway, have a good day. We're going to finish up here, and remember the joy. There's a lot of people still hurting, and let's keep other people in mind, especially with this COVID-19 virus still going around. It's still rampant in the town where we live. We love you. See you soon.